Guys, if you're living in 2023 and not using AI to boost your productivity, you are the one letting AI take over your job. I'm saying this because your employer might come across a guy who can do a lot more than you for the same salary. So, how to start your AI journey? Let's begin with these 10 must-know tools. So guys, if you're an artist, graphics designer, or an animator, you know how taxing it is to put your ideas on the digital canvas. But now, with text-to-image tools, you pretty much have a strong baseline to get going. Stable Diffusion and Midjourney are by far my favorite generative AI tools. This is because they understand the context well, and they can even sometimes give you outcomes that you can barely even imagine. Midjourney has plans ranging from $8 to $48, depending on how much your usage is. Stable Diffusion, even the free version of it, offers unlimited generations, and mind you, they look mind-blowing. Just look at this result here. I asked the tool to generate a photo of Mrs. Watanabe playing with money. The results are mind-boggling, and to be honest, the best part is that it keeps the facial features in their most natural setting, unlike Adobe Fireflies or Leonardo's of the day. Another notable aspect of Stable Diffusion is that it allows you to prompt literally anything, but the problem I've noticed working with its free version is that the processing time is super slow. The paid version, however, fixes the issue, but one major concern of mine with Stable Diffusion is unknown copywriting regime. I mean, they literally tell on their website that the copywriting is complex and it varies according to usage and jurisdiction. The third major generative AI tool that I would love to mention is Adobe Photoshop Beta. I mean, this tool is the best generative AI, period. You can do so much more directly in Photoshop that you could not do before. You can expand backgrounds, turn mountains into lakes, convert fire into water, remove objects, displace objects, replace objects, and without compromising on details and without giving a hint that the photo was manipulated. To top everything off, we have neural filters. These filters help you improve your images by generating new, contextual pixels that are not actually present in the original image. This beta has also revolutionized background segregation and object warping. So if you have Creative Cloud, go download Photoshop Beta now, because this is the tool that can take your editing, designing, and art to the next level. What if you've generated a photo and now you want to animate it? Open your browser and in the address bar type https://convertslash/convertleapix.com/. Here, you can post any photo to make a depth animation. This tool also gives you a lot of control over the kind of animation you want. In the end, you can save your animation in the format of your choice, and bang, your boring 2D photo is now an animation. For animations, especially logo-based animations and explainers, I would like to tell you about Render Forest. The list of options are endless on this platform, and it is very easy to use because you can do most of the things on your browser. I would like to mention one thing here, that the rendering process of Render Forest is very slow, and you can also only render one video at a time, even if you're paying for it. So it will by no means save you any time, but it will surely save you the effort of creating animations from scratch on After Effects. So after art generation, let's talk for a while about text generation. To be honest, there are so many LLMs that can aid you in your daily work, but I think GPT-4 from OpenAI is in the league of its own. I mean, the output prompts are crisp, meaningful, have some touch of emotions, and the model understands human prompts better than Bard or Bing. So I use ChatGPT for writing applications, letters, emails, summarizing text, asking about random stuff like who was Alan Turing. I have a huge interest in history, and sometimes, no matter how focused I am at work, I tend to remind myself that I have forgotten something about Napoleon, and to get rid of this craving, I instantly ask ChatGPT, which helps me save a lot of time as compared to Google search. So another tool I would like to mention is Google Bard. Now this tool keeps me updated with all the latest news. Whatever I ask, I use the Google It feature to check if the information is spot on or not. This tool is particularly helpful in note-taking, scheduling and planning, and generating text-based ideas in light of currency. Bard also supports multimodal search by seamlessly integrating Google Lens. Originally unveiled at Google I/O, this enhancement enables users to upload images and request additional information or incorporate them into their queries. This functionality proves particularly beneficial, allowing users to gain insights or make inquiries based on visuals. For instance, if you come across an unfamiliar plant and wish to identify it, a simple photo snapped and submitted to Google Bard will yield the information you seek. I demonstrated this by presenting Bard with a photo of my puppy, and it accurately identified the dog breed as a Yorkie, as illustrated in the photo below. Bard is also being integrated into most Google services, so you might see yourself sliding into more and more Bard usage in very less time. The third writing tool I would love to mention is Grammarly, and this is the one I cannot live without. Grammarly acts as my robust grammar and spell checker, identifying errors and suggesting corrections in real time. This feature helps me and many other writers maintain a polished and professional standard of language, minimizing embarrassing mistakes and enhancing the overall clarity and coherence of their writing. The tool in its paid versions also offers detailed explanations and suggestions for improvements, providing valuable insights into the rules of grammar, punctuation, and sentence structure. This educational aspect not only helps in immediate corrections, but also enhances the writer's understanding of proper grammar usage, making them more proficient in future writing endeavors. Grammarly also knows the mood. It offers suggestions to align the writing with a desired tone, be it formal, informal, academic, or creative. This feature is invaluable for individuals tailoring their content for specific audiences or purposes, ensuring their message is communicated effectively and appropriately. For my work routine, I use Motion, which focuses on project management, helping me keep track of all the tasks I have to complete. By tweaking each task priority, I can tell the AI engine when it should land on the calendar and how to place the other tasks around it. By connecting Motion to Zapier, I can easily create new Motion tasks from Slack messages, emails, and any other tool I use at work. SaneBox, on the other hand, is my go-to choice for inbox management. It scans your inbox to understand your typical correspondence, subscribed newsletters, and unnecessary emails. This understanding enables it to assist in discarding unwanted emails, prioritizing those crucial messages, and applying tags to maintain order. For additional email management solutions, EmailTree caters to customer support teams by aiding in inbox organization, message follow-ups, and automated replies. By analyzing the emails you receive, EmailTree suggests suitable follow-up actions, leaving the initiation of these actions up to you. If you still make presentations on PowerPoint, you really need to move on, because with AI, you can make more appealing slideshows with almost zero effort. My go-to choice for presentations is Dectopus, which is simple and fun to use. You provide the topic and focus of your presentation, identify the intended audience, and outline your goals. The system will generate a comprehensive presentation, complete with both written content and visual slides. The user interface includes interactive elements, facilitating easy modification of images and text. This feature is especially useful for initiating a well-structured initial draft and refining it into a compelling final rendition. So now let me discuss my favorite AI productivity tool. It is none other than Zapier. Zapier enables you to speed up automation by using natural language to design workflows that link a wide array of applications. Simply specify the task you wish to automate, and Zapier will outline a customizable workflow. You can even employ Zapier to construct a personalized chatbot. Utilizing Zapier, you can connect to a plethora of apps, including OpenAI, ChatGPT, Jasper, Hugging Face, and numerous others. This integration allows you to blend the potential of AI with the efficiency of automation, enhancing productivity in your most important tasks. We've talked a lot about work, but I can barely work without my earphones. What I love listening to? Music and podcasts. Now, there are tools that are changing the game in these domains as well, but before jumping into music, which is a bit more complex category over here, let's clear up podcast. Adobe has released Adobe Podcast, a tool that can turn your cheap mic and noisy audio conditions into studio-grade audio. Yes, you can go try out the Major for yourself. You know the best part? It's free as of my last knowledge. Now, I don't personally make music, but I use this tool whenever I need to send voice notes, especially to my clientele, because these small finesses can create a great impact. How it works? Just drag and drop. Take 150 steps, bang, and you're done. Now, coming to music, Voicify, an AI cover song generator, can upload entire songs and have them sung by a computer instead of the original artist. The voicing options for your AI cover song on Voicify span well over 4,500 different voice models. It's also cool that you may create your own AI voice model with the help of the custom models option. The acapella extractor, reverb remover, and silence remover are just a few of the advanced capabilities offered to Voicify subscribers. So what you have to do is go to ChatGPT and ask it to write lyrics for your new song based on your ideas. Now you can explore the artist library of Voicify. You just paste your lyrics and choose the voice of any artist you like. Their list includes Drake, Kanye West, The Weeknd, Lana Del Rey, and Justin Bieber, among among many. You can also make high-quality album arts with AI using tools like Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, or Blue Willow. Just work on the typography a little in Photoshop or Illustrator, and bang, now you can hit Spotify with your latest creation. If you still want originality, you can make use of tools like Uberduck, Murph, and Typecast that allow you to create AI singing voices. In today's date, you can find full-blown AI music-based bands on YouTube. Yes, if you're a fan of heavy metal, give Frostbite Orkings a listen to on YouTube. Most of the music is actually generated by an AI system trained by German metal musicians. Subscribe to AI Symbiosis for more news from the world of AI. I'll talk to you in the next one. See ya!